Another theory about how language began focuses on the sounds in nature. This idea believes that early humans might have copied the natural sounds they heard to create words. For example, if an early human heard a bird making cow cow sound, they might have started using that sound to refer to that specific bird. Similarly, if they heard another bird going cuckoo, they might have used that sound to refer to that kind of bird. This theory gets some support from the fact that even today, many languages have words that sound like the noises they represent. For instance, in English, we have words like cuckoo, splash, bang, and buzz. These words sound a lot like actual noises they stand for. Because of this, some people have jokingly called this the bow wow theory of language, since bow wow is another example of a word that sounds like a dog bark. However, there are some criticisms of this theory. One main problem is that not everything has a natural sound associated with it, especially abstract ideas. Also, language is not just a list of words representing objects. It's much more complex than that. This makes it hard to believe that our entire language system just came from imitating natural sounds. Another theory about the origin of language looks at the natural sounds people make when they have strong emotions. For example, if someone is hurt, they might say ouch, or if they are surprised, they might exclaim wow. This idea is that maybe the first sounds of language came from these emotional reactions. However, there is a significant issue with this theory. The sounds we make when we react emotionally, like ouch or wow, are usually made differently than regular speech. When we make these emotional sounds, we often take in a quick breath. But when we talk normally, we usually breathing out. Also, the noises we make in these emotional moments have some sounds that we don't use in regular speech. So, it seems a bit unlikely that our entire language system started just from the sounds we make when we are emotional. It's hard to see how these unique and specific reactions could be the main source for all the varied sounds and words in our language. Yet, another theory about how language began is called the Yo-Hi-Ho theory. This idea believes that our language could have started from the sounds humans made when they were doing hard physical work, especially when they had to work together. Imagine early humans trying to move heavy objects like tree logs or the body of a large animal. They might have made various noises like grunts or shouts to coordinate their efforts. What's interesting about this theory is that it ties the development of language to social interactions. It suggests that human sounds, whatever they were, had a meaningful role in early human communities. This means that the sounds weren't just random, but had a purpose in helping humans. However, this theory has its limitations. While it gives a reason for why humans might have started making structured sounds, it does not really explain where these sounds came from in the first place. Also, while many animals, like apes, make noises to communicate with each other, they haven't developed speech in the way humans have. So, just because early humans made noises during group activities doesn't necessarily mean that's how our complex language system started. Thank you so much, enjoyed this lesson, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.